everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sushmita. How are you all? So in today's video, I'm going to do this purple pastel look. I realized that I have never really tried any pastel look before, so I thought I would give it a try. And trust me guys, this is not easy at all as it seems. Because earlier today when I was planning to do this makeup, I thought it would be very easy. I'll take the color and take the brush and buff it around my eyes because it's just one color, just purple color. And no, that was not the case. It was rather more challenging, I would say, because when I apply the color, first the purple is a little difficult color to blend in, and then it looked all the flat from here to here. It did not turn out the way I really wanted it, and then I had to add a little dimension by adding a darker purple. So yeah, finally I ended up with this makeup look. And on top of that, the weather was more challenging to me because I shoot in natural sunlight, and today it was completely cloudy the moment I started shooting. So yeah, you will have to bear with me that too. You will see the struggle all through the video. So yeah, stay tuned and watch the complete video to see my struggle and see how I created this makeup look.
First, we'll start with primer. As I always do, I'll apply it on my T-zone where I have my open pores. I'll be using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Foundation in the shade 104. I will apply it all over my face in the dotting motion so that I'll have equal distribution all over my face. That will help me blend it well. Then I will blend it with the help of a beauty blender. On my brows, I'll be using Wet n Wild Brow Kit. First, I'll apply the half of my brow like the tail portion. And please don't mind the lighting, as I was telling you, the weather is too bad today. Then I will apply the brow in the inner part of the eyebrow like in a stroke motion showing over here for a better shape of the brow. Next up, concealer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. I will apply it in the inner and outer part of my under eye. This will brighten up the areas just where it needed. I'm using a beauty blender, but you can definitely go for a brush. For my contouring, I'm using a dark shade concealer from Wet n Wild. I will apply it on the hollows of my cheek and a little bit on my temple area. Then I will blend it with the same beauty blender. I will apply a little on my jawline too, so that I have a blended look all over the face, not only cheek and forehead. Apply a little amount on my nose too, but I will not go all the way to the tip of my nose. Before I do my eye makeup, I'll apply some concealer on my eyelids. I'll blend it with my fingers only because why not? For my eye makeup, I'm using NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I'll take this pastel purple shade. I'll apply it all over my eyelids in a dabbing motion with the help of a flat brush. It'll give me better coverage. Next up, I will take a fluffy brush and apply the same shade all over my crease, like above my crease, and I will keep blending it. Now I will take this purple shade. Then I will apply it on my crease, like only on my crease, so that I have more dimension to this eye look. Next up, I'll take this blue shade for my lower lash line. I'll apply it as close as possible to the lash line. For kajal, I'm using Lakme Iconic Royal Blue. For the inner corners of my eyes, I'll apply the dark purple which I applied on my crease. Next step is bronzer. I'll apply the bronzer on the sides of my face. I'll also apply a little on my cheek so that I have that blushed effect. For eyeliner, I'm using liquid liner from Stay Quirky. For lipstick, I'm using Lakme Absolute Matte in the shade Mulberry Feast. And for blush, I'm gonna use Maybelline Master Blush, and I will take these two shades and apply a very tiny amount on the apples of my cheek. Finally, we'll set my face with NYX Professional Setting Spray.
So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do let me know that in the comment section whether you like this or not. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload my new videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm being Sush. See you next time.